Hi everyone, this is Armando Caneos from 460 Realty Nanaimo. Today I'm going to be showing you my new listing at 2264 Jingle Pot Rd. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom rancher, fully renovated on the inside, sitting on just under a quarter-acre lot. Tons of parking for your RV or your boat. Go inside and have a look, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tour today. This is a very unique opportunity with the rancher being in Jingle Pot, a very desirable area. Please reach out to your realtor or message me if you have any questions. Have a great day.